issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Port Washington, Wisconsin, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cleveland, or near Sheboygan, moving northeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters.